You can earn $10, $20, $30, and even $50 per hour, depending on how long you can actually chat with people, how long you can interact with people. Yes, guys. And it doesn't even matter the country you are from. You can be from African countries, you can be from anywhere around the world. This is actually nationwide. So guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dolapoudoh. On my channel I talk about YouTube growth, I talk about money making opportunities that I've tried that worked for me. So in today's video I'll be talking about 3 apps you can actually make money from chatting with foreign people, chatting with lonely people. And I'm going to start with the list. Don't miss the third app, because that third app the is the best. Yeah, let me just say it like that. Is the best. I mean, I've been making money from it. So make sure you actually watch the video to the very end, and please kindly take 2 seconds of your time to actually subscribe to my channel. Please let me give this video a thumbs up, and please leave a very beautiful comment in the comment section. That being said, let's right into the video. So the first one on my list will be rentalocalfriend.com. I'm going to be writing it on my screen so you can actually see it. Now all you need to do is, just like the name implies, you rent a local friend. I mean friends in your visibility, friends around you, friends in your area, so you can actually rent them and you talk to them. Now on this app, there's one thing about it: you have to meet the person, and I don't actually advise you meeting strangers, of course. All right, so I don't advise you meeting strangers. I mean, people you don't even know. I prefer you do everything online. So you renting a local friend, you can actually meet, and then you get paid for meeting. That is that about that. Then number 2 on my list is rent sorry rentafriend.com. I'll be writing the name on the screen. So also you can actually this one also you have to meet in person. You have to meet in person, and like I said before, I'm not really in approval of that. I don't know who I'm meeting, so I don't actually approve that, and I don't advise that, except if you know you can take the risks. But for me, I can't do that. So on this app, you have to meet up with the person you're chatting with, and you get paid for meeting up. And please note, all these apps are not dating apps, all right? They are apps that you can actually chat, and you get paid for your service, because actually you're rendering a service. There are so many lonely people out there that need someone to talk to, e.g. me. Anyways, I'm just joking. I have you guys to talk to. So it's not a dating app, and if eventually you meet your match, you can actually end up being together. But honestly, this is not a dating app. It's just a app you can actually meet up. You can actually meet friends and help out. So that's that about rent a friend. Even rent a friend or Tom, you have to meet the person before you get paid. So I don't really advise that. Now, number 3, which is the coco, which is the most important one, and which is the one I actually practice myself and I get paid for it, is rent a cyber friend. Yes, guys. So on this a cyber friend, you can get paid $50 per hour, depending on how many hours you can actually do that for. So I mean, we all know how it's going in Nigeria. You can't just put your egg in one shell. You have to just try different things that work for you. So you can actually talk to, I mean, this rentacyberfriend.com is you don't have to meet the person. You don't have to meet the person you're chatting with before you get paid. That is, you get paid online, and the more all this money you're making can actually be transferred into your local bank account, yes. And you can, if you have PayPal, you can actually use PayPal. But for the fact that this app pays you directly into your bank account, I think is top notch, right? So rentacyberfriend.com actually preferred this because I don't have to meet with somebody, with the person I'm actually chatting with. All I have to do is just to, do my stuff online, and I get paid for it. That's that about that. So I don't know which one will you be trying out, but for me, I prefer that you try out the the third one, which is rentacyberfriend.com. And I just, anyone that works for you, if you feel you want to meet people that you're chatting with, you can actually go with the one that you want. But for me, I prefer Rent a Cyber Friend. So all these three apps are very, very legit. You get paid for your money as long as you are doing you are following the instructions of the site. Now you might be wondering how you are going to sign up for this website. All you have to do is to all you have to do is to actually type it on your Google browser or any browser you're using. Then you sign. Sorry about that. Then you sign up for it. All right, it's as simple as that. Then you do your daily tasks. Just find your way around it. And if you want me to put you through step by step on how you can do it, please kindly indicate in the comment section. And also let me know which one you'll be trying out in the comment section. That will be all for now. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.